Hey, good morning. Chuck here with the Lost Lock Expedition. Here we are in the little township of Lockville, and we found some locks. This is part of the Ohio-Erie Canal, and you can kind of see how wide the locks are here and also how deep they are. I'll pull the camera over here in just a second. But imagine back in 1831 when this canal was just opened. All these stones had been set. This canal had been dug by hand, shovels and picks. And on the other side is the path that the mules and the horses pulled the small barges down the canal, moving people and goods throughout the region. What a cool place. This is lock number 12 of the canal. And you can kind of take a look here. We're going to show you a little video. You've got to be careful walking around these locks. These stones, they're really loose, so. This is lock number 12, and you can see this area that's kind of dug out over here. They've got some straw around the area now. This was a water holding area so that they could fill up the lock and raise or lower the boat. This is the Hartman number 2 covered bridge, and according to Larry, one of the park's workers here, he says this bridge was just put here as an attraction and they're planning on moving it. As you can see, there'd be no way that any of the small barges or boats from the canal could go under that bridge, so go figure. This is lock number 14. Pretty good shape, actually. If you look closely, you can see each stone perfectly fitted to contain the water in the lock. Appears to be about 120 feet long by about 25 feet wide. End of the canal, you can kind of see it. This is where the lock keeper would be, and he's got an area over here where he pumps the water from the holding area, which was probably on this side over here and actually in these people's yard, and would raise and lower the boats as they came through the canal. What a cool piece of history. And this is where the canal actually crossed Walnut Creek. You can kind of see it. Let's walk out on the bridge and see if we can get a better picture of where that canal crosses here. Well, you can't really see it too well, but that's where it dumps across Walnut Creek.